Now there are times when we type an article in Word, we forget to capitalize the letters at the beginning of the sentence. Because it is a stipulation in writing that at the beginning of a sentence after it is closed with a period, the letter must be uppercase, so we have to edit it again one by one to make it uppercase. However, you don't need to edit one by one if you forget to change the letters at the beginning of the sentence to uppercase, because we can change them automatically. The method is very easy. Friend, select all the writing or type which will change the first letter of the sentence to uppercase. Then on the Home menu, click Change Case with the icon. After that, several options will appear. Friends, select the top one, namely, Sentence Case. Automatically after Friends click, the letters in each sentence in the selected writing will change to uppercase. So how about Friends? How easy is it? That's how to make capital letters at the beginning of sentences in Word.